Okay, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about solving a variation problem. Okay, so there are 4 steps to solving a variation problem that we're going to discuss and we're going to go through. Okay, and these are the same 4 steps that you're going to do throughout whenever you're dealing with, whether it's variation, joint variation, direct variation, inverse variation, any one of those that we're talking about, we would solve these the same way. Okay, the same 4 steps. Okay, so the 4 steps is 1, the first step here, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to write the general relationship among the variables that are given in the problem as an equation. Okay, so, and again, we're going to use the constant k to help us as well. Okay. So we're going to use the wording of the problem to help us set these up. And again, we're going to set these up as a general relationship, okay, among the variables. And then step 2, we're going to then substitute the given information. So again, the problem is going to give us values, certain values of the variables. And what we're going to do is we're going to substitute the given values of the variables. Why? Because we want to find k. We're not going to know what k is, but they're going to give us information to substitute into this equation or this relationship from step 1 to solve for k. And then once we solve for k, step 3 says we're going to substitute k into the relationship that we found in step 1. And that will give us a specific formula now that gives us the relationship between the variables. And then finally, once we do that, then step 4 says, okay, now we're ready to solve the equation. Now what we're going to do is substitute in any remaining values that are given, because again, they're going to give us values to help us solve for an unknown variable, right? So they're going to want us eventually to solve for an unknown variable, and so this 3 steps sets us up for step 4, which means now we're going to basically substitute in the remaining variables that are given to solve for the unknown variable that they want us to solve for. And those are the 4 steps. And these are the same 4 steps that we're going to do for all of the examples that we're going to do, as you'll see. Okay? And that's it. So again, make sure you practice these 4 steps. And as we do examples, I'm going to be doing these 4 steps in the examples as well. Okay? Have a great day.